welcome. I just got home and I have surprises. So first we'll say hey and tell you all I'm Snowmoon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do gaming videos and unboxings, and today I have received my Boxy Charm. And not only did I get my premium, which I don't really know which one it is, but I also got my Boxy Luxe. So today we're going to unopen both of them and see what we have in here. So Boxy Charm, if you don't know, is the regular box is $25 a month. The premium is $35 a month, and the Boxy Luxe is an additional 25, I think. I think the total is 26 and 26. So with tax, it's like a little bit more. Boxy Luxe is something that you can get every third month, so 4 times a year. And I do sign up for that. I don't know where to start. I do already kind of know the spoiler for the Boxy Premium, and unfortunately it doesn't really tell me which one is which. So I think this one is the premium this time, so we're gonna bust into it real quick, see what it is. So Boxy Charm's theme today is edgy, and no, I think this is my Boxy Luxe. So the other one is my Boxy Charm. So in my videos, which I upload as frequently as possible, what I like to do is I like to unbox, and as I unbox it, I tell you how much it would cost if you were to buy it in store. I know a lot of other people do them at the end of the video, but I kind of do them as we do the video so that you know the price of the item in my hand. So the first thing I got today are some really pretty kind of earrings. They are by Bhakti by Stephanie Taylor, and they are play it hoop earrings. I don't wear earrings as much as I probably could, but these are really pretty earrings. Let's see if I can get one off. They are sparkly, and look like they got little rhinestone things in them. I kind of like them. Never had really big hoops, and it's been a long time since I've worn earrings, but I'm all for it, especially if I've got a nice event to go to. Not really at my job, but just a nice event. So they retail for $32. Do they say why? I better do a little bit of research on these, because I gotta know if it's white gold, or I would imagine they're sterling silver or stainless steel. I would imagine those are cubic zirconium at most. I'll give it a look-see and see what kind they are, but they're really pretty. The next item I got is by Murad. It says it's a Hydrodermatic Ultimate Moisturizer for eyes. I've never had a Murad one. This thing retails for $70, which I already knew it did. This was the item I did pick. I chose it. I kind of like the idea of having nice eye cream. I do put it on at night. Pretty sure it's a night thing. It says to use AM and PM, so that's kind of nice. And that retails, I said, $70. The next item I got is 2 items actually. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Coca Cabana Cream. Now I've had this one, but I have never had this one. Ooh, it does smell good. But This one's more of a coconut smell. And this one is more vanilla. More of a vanilla smell. But it's retails for $15. And I already know that they're like $7.50 a piece. I've seen them in the stores before. So that's kind of nice. The next item I have are 3 Invisibobs, which I do like these. These retail for $8, which they do. I've seen them at Ulta and Sephora. The next item I have is by Becca, and it says it's Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. I don't know what that is. That's what it looks like. This retails for $28. It says your post facial glow in a stick. An ultra sheer translucent highlighter that imports a dewy glass-like sheen to the skin. Oh yeah, it kind of does. I don't know if it'll show up, but it kind of does. It does. That's neat. The next item I got is by Nars, and I got it in the color Give It Up. It is a lip pigment for $25. Oh, and it's bright pink. I wish they would give me like a soft pink, but it's like a purple. Yeah, that's kind of like a really bright purpley pink. It's okay. But I do like Nars' lipsticks. The next item I got is the Boxy Charm Hello Charmers palette. And it looks like this. And I am very interested about this Swipe It Up color and the full-size pink color. I think this is just a glitter. Yeah, it's just kind of a glitter. That's what it looks like. I think I could make an interesting look with this. And its retail is $39. Oops, I made a mistake. Hold on a minute. Let me just... Just a slight mistake. That's okay. And the last item I got is this. And it is a PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I'm not really sure what this is. It retails for $99. Ooh. Oh, and it fell apart in my lap. I don't even know where this goes. I hope there's instructions. So yeah, I'm not really sure. There's no instructions to it. So let's give this bad boy a look. That's like just putting a vibrator on your face. I guess you put a cleanser on and guess it has different modes. Push button, use twice daily to cleanse skin for a fresh, radiant look. Use the anti-aging massager often. It is most effective when applying serums and moisturizers. I guess you put the serum on and then use it. Massage in serums, soft silicone bristles. So this says soft silicone bristles. This says to massage in serums. So use the back side to massage in serums, and this to clean your face, I guess. So there's that. I guess I'll be using that. So all in all, like I said, this was a $50 box. I'll do the math in just a second. We'll stick it all right back in the box. So my total value for my Boxy Luxe, which is all right there, is, let's find out. Handy dandy calculator. Well, had I had this calculator out, I would have known. Let's see. So that was 70, 15, 39, 99, 25, 28, 8, and 32. For a grand total of $316 worth of products that I paid $50 for. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is go right into, let's clear this, right into the next box, which is my Boxy Premium. I don't want this to be a super long video, but we're going to go right into the Boxy Premium. And we'll see how much that one is. So my Boxy Premium this time was a Fenty box, which I don't own any Fenty Beauty products. So there it all is. And I'm really excited to find out what shades I got, because there was variation. So we'll pull out first the palette. It was the Moroccan palette, which I already knew this. They talked about this, they showed it to us, but I've never had a Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette, so I was pretty excited. It's really pretty, actually. But here are the colors, and I really like a couple of these, actually. So I'm going to swatch a couple of these on the back of my hand so that you can see the colors. So there you go. Those are really pretty. And this item was $29. So let me put that in there. Okay. So we got that. The next item I will pull out is this item. It's Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter, I think, yeah. The packaging is really good. There's a lot of cardboard, but and it's this bright gold highlighter. And it's really, I don't know if I'd be able to even use that, but maybe. I don't know. It's really bright gold. But I swatched it on the back of my hand, as you can see here. I could probably use it as a eyeshadow, maybe. The next item says it is the blotting paper. And I saw this. I don't wear a lot of lipsticks, but I thought it was kind of cute. But it looks like it comes separately, but I don't really know how to put it in. How do you... Oh. But yeah, it's got like little blotting papers for you to blot your lipstick off in. And it's got like a little mirror on it. It's kind of pretty. Oh, I didn't tell you the price of the highlighter. So the highlighter was $36 and the blotting paper is $16. So let's put that in my little calculator. Okay, and the next item. This is the Matchstick, and I got mine in the color blonde. So it looks like this. And it's also a gold kind of thing. And it's a shimmer stick, so I don't know if I might be able to use that during the summer. Kind of wish I would have had a nice color to match my skin tone, but that's okay. The next item, oh, how much was that? The shimmer stick is $25. The next item is the lipstick, and I got mine in the color Candy Venom, which, let's take this off. Maybe. Where to go? But it looks like this. Not much different than the one I had on. I wish it would have gone on smoother. But this retails for $18. I don't wear a whole lot of lipsticks anyway. And the last item is the Gloss Bomb. This is a universal lip illuminator, and I got mine in the shade Diamond Milk, which I will take that every day. And this retails for $19. So this box cost me $35, and I got a total value of $143, which I think is really good. So for this month, I think I made out well. I had 2 eyeshadow palettes. What is the extra? Why? I don't even know. Highlighter, a bunch of nice products. Well, I try to put it all in one box. And that's all my stuff. So yeah, I like it. I like it. I think it's a lot of really nice products, and I hope I will get a lot of use. I upload as often as possible. I do other unboxings, and I do gaming videos, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If any of these boxes look interesting, I leave all of my links in the comments for you to go ahead and head over there and check them all out. I also have my Twitter and all kinds of other little informational to get a hold of me or to see what else I do. So those are also in the description. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day. And as always, thank you for watching. And yeah, so I heart y'all faces. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.